Hi guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can fix the WordPress error. Sorry, this content could not be embedded when you are using the YouTube embedded URL plugin. Okay, so if you are seeing this error, this is mostly because you are using a channel name URL instead of the actual video. With the YouTube embedded URL, you need to point it to a video. So you need to embed a video link instead of the channel link. So if you open up YouTube and go to the channel, click on a video and copy the link to the clipboard. Here, instead of using the full channel name, we're going to embed simply just the video ID. So let me see if I can delete this one here. And then we paste in the video link and then click on embed. And this time you can see it will fix the problem. And then simply just click on the save button to fix the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.